The topic of today's video is how to link multiple calendars to your Calendly booking page. Alright guys, so we need to be on integration and apps, and an important thing to note is you need to have an upgraded plan to link multiple calendars. So I'll show you how to link one, and the rest is going to be the exact same process. So let's search for a calendar. So we'll choose Google Calendar and we'll just hit connect on this calendar. That is going to prompt a sign in, so that'll take us to the website. Hit continue, and we're just going to give permission, so hit continue. And there we go. We have one calendar logged in. If you need to add another one, you just need to click on the plus icon over here that says connect calendar account. And you'll see that when I do that, I unfortunately require a subscription. But for you, when you do it, you will just need to pick which calendar you want to link again and go through that exact same process. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next one.